So the first thing we'll be doing here is we'll be setting our background. So we are going to pick our color. So go to this two square icon here to pick our color. So click on color, click on this plus sign here. Okay, I think I'm okay with this. Click OK. Let's make it darker. Yep, so this is fine. So next we'll be bringing in our background. Click on the middle icon here and import. So this is the background we'll be using, this background. So watch what I'll do. You can see that this background is yellow in color. So we'll be changing the color because this yellow will be off. So we'll just expand it. Expand it. Can you see? Then we'll scroll down to this color filters. And when you see hue, H-U-E, until we get the color we want. Okay, got it. So this is what we'll be using. So we're going to mark it, then expand to fit in the screen. So this is it. So we'll go to opacity here and reduce the opacity to maybe 11. Yeah, this is fine. Here we go. So after doing this, you can see that it's still moving. So in order to avoid this, we'll need to lock the background. So we're going to click here, then where you see the padlock, here, so you click on it. When you see a red color, you know it's locked. So you can see it can't move again. So the next thing we'll be doing here is we're going to import a shape. Click on the middle icon and then click on shapes. So we'll just draw it down and reduce the size a little. So we are getting something like this. So we'll curve it a little and place it somewhere here. So let's choose a color. Click here I'll be picking a color. I'll click on the plus icon and drag it to where purple is. So this middle place here is where we'll be adjusting. So we'll be dragging it. Watch where my hand is. Can you see? Then click OK. Yeah. So this is it. So this is what we want. So we are going to reduce this size a little. So after that, we'll be importing our text. So we are writing the name right now. So it is nails. It is nails by Clary, but we are not using the by. You need to watch what I'll do. We're just writing nails and then Clary. Can you see it? And then we'll be changing the font first. So click on font. Click on my font, and my font is the ones I imported. So I'll be teaching you how, or you watch the video of how to import your fonts. So I'm not using Pixel Lab font. This is my font. So just click on. This is what I'm going to be using. Adorable. Okay. Here it is. So we just reduce the size a little and place it somewhere here. So we'll be changing the color. Changing the color to this color, and then we'll enable our stroke. Scroll down and where you see stroke, okay, click on stroke and enable. So we are going to increase the stroke, and we'll put the stroke color as white. So can you see how colorful it is? Yeah. So note the stroke width is 14 and we are using white color for the color. So we are going to line spacing to adjust the spacing. Okay, it's fine like this. So we are going to be importing another shape. We want to write our by, but before that, let's go to line spacing and reduce this. Okay, it's fine like this. So we are moving to shapes. Click on the middle icon, then click on shapes. We need a round cycle, so we are going to increase the radius to the fullest. So we've gotten a round cycle. Reduce the cycle like this. I still want to reduce the size. Okay, so click on position so you can drag it to where we want it. Okay, it's fine here. So here it's fine. So we're going to click on text now and we'll be writing by. Position, then direct it. Let's change the font first. Go to fonts. So we'll be using this Amaranth regular. This, click on it. Okay. And then the color. No, this is fine. So I want to quickly adjust this color. Sorry. Okay, this is what I need. So change this to, so we're dragging this to the cycle. So we are dragging the by to where the cycle is. Let's reduce the size a little. Yeah, so this is okay. So the next thing we'll be doing is we're going to write another text. We'll be writing we fix. So, but we are going to set this aside. So we'll bring in a shape. Okay. Then we'll increase the radius a bit. No, but sorry, I've made a little mistake. In this cycle, we are going to be doing some adjustments. We'll be doing some adjustments. So sorry. Let's remove the by. So on this cycle, we'll click on shadow. We'll be adjusting, enable the shadow, and then we'll adjust the offset X to 18. Okay, 14 is fine. So our offset, well, let's take it down to 3. Yeah. So the offset Y will be 12, and then our blur will increase it to 18. So there's something I want to tell you guys. You can see that the shadow here is showing black. It's not good enough. So whenever we are doing anything shadow, we'll have to reduce the color. We'll have to reduce the color to something lighter. I hope you understand. So we'll be going to where the color is, where the shadow is, and we'll click on. So in order to reduce the color, we'll come here. This is the transparent area, so we'll shift it down here a little and look at it now. Can you see? It has become lighter. So this is what we are looking for. So drag back our buy. So you're coming back to this place, and then we are changing our color first. So this is what we need. We'll be applying the same effect we use for the cycle. So we'll go to shadow. Click on shadow, enable shadow. We'll be increasing our blur to 18. The offset will be 3, and then this will be 11 is fine. Then we'll click and reduce the black cycle. Can you see that? So, and then we'll be changing the font of this to change it to this Amaranthine regular. So click on it, okay, and then we'll put it, bring it to front, and we'll reduce the size. Let's reduce the size again. So this is fine. So now we're going to be importing what the services this brand renders. So add text. I already have it in my clipboard, so this is it. Click on OK, and we'll be reducing this. So we are changing our font. Next, click on font, and we'll be using this Amara. It's not compulsory you use the font I use. What is necessary is that you don't use too much of font in a design. The minimum you use, the maximum in fact you use, is 3 fonts. So these are my favorite fonts, and I'll be using this Amaranth regular. If you have any good font you can use, you can also use that. And I think this is not having unnecessary space. Let's click on line spacing and kind of reduce it a little. Okay, then we'll go back to this spacing and increase this. So can you see? So it's nice like this. So we'll be reducing the size again. Okay, I think it's clashing, so let's increase the size. Increase the line spacing. Sorry. Now it's fine like this. Yep. So we'll be importing a shape again for the address. So increase the radius to 4. So we're looking for something like this. So on this grid to know if our shape is at the center, turn on this thing that look like a magnet here, turn it on. So when you see this red line, you know it is centralized. Okay, so this is at the middle, so we can turn it off like this. And next we'll be importing an image. This is like a location icon, so click on it. We are not removing the background because what we are placing it on is white already, so it's of no use. So we just and click on position to bring it down. So click on color filter next to change the color because it is red, it's not going well. Color filters, and then we'll drag this till it's purple. Okay, can you see it's 45? Take note of it. So but before we start this, we are changing this to black. Go to text and click on the color and changing it to black. Yeah. So we are going to be importing our address here. So we'll be using a random address. Click on text. So block 2 road 20 SARS street port court. Okay, so this is what we'll be using. Then we will reduce it. First, let's change the font and color. Change the font to my normal font, this, and then the color, we'll change it to black. Note, your normal default color in Pixel Lab is not black. Yes, when you're looking at it, you think it's black, but you will have to go back to color and press on the black color before you will know that your default color is not black. Note that. So click on black and place it here. I'm going to reduce the size and bring it here. Next, we are going to import our call icon. This is it. This is our call icon. So we'll be changing this color. It's not too good. We'll be changing it to purple, but color filters will not work for it. Can you see? It's not moving, it's not changing at all. So color filter. So watch what I will do. You come to erase color, click on it, enable, then go to your normal color and then just pick the purple. After that, we'll be writing in our phone number. We'll be using a random number since it's just a design tool. Okay, color is black. So we'll be reducing the size and the font will still be this. Okay, let's increase the size a little. Yep. So I'll be importing some square shapes next. Click here and click on shapes. So I just need some square shapes. Okay. So watch what I would do. I would go to my shadow, enable my shadow, and click on the transparent I create the other time. Almost the same shadow settings we did for this and this cycle. So click on it, click on the transparent I did. So adjust it again like the way we did. Then this 3, then this was 12. Yeah. Yes. So the radius, increase the radius 8. So we'll be slanting this. This will be like this. And copy, bring it like this. Then copy, bring it like that. Copy again. We'll be turning this like this. Then copy again. This one will be a little bit smaller. then turn it like this to here, and then so I'll bring it to the front, bring to the front, you can see, and I'll take this to the back. But when I take it to the back, it will go to the back finally. So bring it front, and this is what I'm going to do. Watch me. Click on this, click on it, so you can see where it is. Can you see this line? That means I've picked it already. So I'm going to hold this place here. So I'm going to hold it and then drag it till it goes to the back, so it goes to the back. So can you see? So yep, so this is it. So before we continue, see, let's bring this thing down a bit. Let's bring it down. Bring it down, and everything that follows will come down too. And this, so here it is. So we'll be putting the images into our shapes now. So click on it, scroll down to texture, you will see this image picture here. Click on image, so the first image I'll be using is this. Yeah, so this is all. So just increase the scale a bit, click on the second one, same texture. I'll be repeating this for everything. Let's change. Okay, let's use this. third one. And the last one. We'll be clicking on each image. So I think the size is too much. I'm reducing it a bit. Reducing it. So click here and we'll click on stroke, enable stroke, and we'll increase the stroke. Click here, increase the stroke, increase the stroke. Yeah, so this is it. So the next thing is to import the logo. Click on import. This is the logo we'll be using. Nails by Claire. So we'll change all the color here to white. Change it to white. And then we'll lock it so it won't disturb our design. So the next thing we'll do is to import another ribbon. This, and then we'll place it here. Place it here. Send to back. Go to the color filters and then make it rhyme with the color. Okay, so it's fine like this. Note 55. So watch what we'll do again. Click on shapes, click on the shapes and click on this semi-circle here. Click on it. Come over to gradient. Click on the gradient, on the same gradient. So this side is where the transparent will be. This is where the transparent will be, and this side will be for the whites. Please note. So you are getting something like this. Okay. So we are going to place it here. Watch the position. We'll be placing it here. Can you see it? Reduce the opacity. To 74. Can you see it? Okay, then we'll copy again, place it on the clearing. Then we'll copy and then place on this fix. Okay, so the last thing we'll do is to click on this sticker. Click on it. It will bring something transparent here, right? So don't make a mistake of touching this mark sign. Don't do that. Just click on any design and go back to it. Expand it, click on it, copy, click, place on top, copy again, copy, copy. So after doing this, so watch what we are going to do. Just click here and you send everything to back. Click on it to back, click on it to back, click on it to back, and the last one to back. So we'll look for where this rod is. This one, click on it and we'll send it to back. So this is the effect we will get, this white effect. Can you see it? So we are done with this design, and the next thing we'll do is to save our image. Bye.